In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a post on Quora. If you want to share a question with the Quora community, the process is very simple once you know where to click. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact flow so you can create your post clearly and confidently. To get started, open Quora and look at the top of the page. You'll see the Create button there. Go ahead and click Create. This opens the posting options and takes you to the area where you can begin drafting what you want to publish. Next, type in your question. This is the main part of your post, so make sure it's clear and easy to understand. A well-written question usually gets better responses, so try to be specific about what you're asking. Keep the wording natural and avoid making it too broad if you want more useful answers. At this stage, you're simply entering the question text into the field provided. After you've typed your question, click on Add Question. This tells Quora that you want to move forward with publishing that question as a post. It's essentially the step where your draft starts turning into an actual submission. From there, click on Add New Question. This option confirms that you want to create a brand new question rather than selecting something that may already exist on the platform. This is helpful because Quora often tries to match your wording with existing questions. If your topic is unique, or if you want to phrase it in your own way, choosing Add New Question is the right move. Once that's done, click on Done. This finalizes the setup for your question and completes the posting process shown here. After that, your question is ready on Quora and other users can begin engaging with it. A helpful tip as you do this is to read your question one more time before confirming it. Even a quick review can help you catch unclear wording or small mistakes. Clear, direct questions tend to perform better and are easier for others to answer thoughtfully. And that's it. That's how to write a post on Quora. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks. Open the Create menu, type your question, add it, confirm it as a new question, and then click Done. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and intuitive.